Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. My name is Shirley. We are going to be unboxing a company called Kencko, or should I say unbagging a company called Kencko. You might have seen their ads on Instagram or Facebook. This is how I found out about this company. They send you these packets of dried, I think it's freeze-dried fruits and vegetables in a packet, and you just add liquid and you shake it and it turns into a drink. So this is what this is, and we're going to be unboxing Kencko. So this actually was shipped from Germany. It says Deutsche Post. I don't know if that's how you say it. So this came from Germany. It actually came pretty fast. It maybe took a little bit more than a week for it to arrive. And it comes in this bubble wrap bag and it says recycle me. When you open it, it looks like there's another box inside. All right, so some things come easy, Kencko. All right, so it's sealed with their tape, with their logo on it. Let's unbox this baby. All right. Ooh, hi Shirley. It's definitely a handwritten note. That's cute. So it says non-GMO, gluten and allergen free, USDA organic, no chemicals or colorants, 100% recyclable, made in Europe, no added sugar. Made in Europe was a big thing for me. Why is this little guy out of his home? Is this a free pack? I don't know. Hello, hello. Some people say follow your dreams. We say let them be delivered to your doorstep. Transparency, so they show you where they source all of their ingredients. So this is how you prepare it. So I'm actually going to be demonstrating one of these in front of the camera for you guys. Okay, so when you first place your order, they send you a free bottle and it says fill until here. So that's really helpful. It's dishwasher safe and BPA free. This is really cute. Oh, and they have this like stopper thing here. So in case there's any clumps from the powder, it doesn't really get through. And if you notice on the top of the lid, ready to mix, use and reuse. And it has this little thing here so you can put either a charm or maybe a keychain ring, I don't know. Okay, cool. So I'm going to wash this and try it out. It doesn't look like they sent a packing slip and I don't really remember what I ordered. Oh, actually, you know, I think I ordered the starter kit, which is everything, which is all of their flavors. But it's funny how they don't. Oh, okay, now I remember. So the packets they come in different colors, I think. And it seems like they have 6 colors here. Blacks, corals, greens, purples, reds, and yellows. And there's nutritional facts in here. So their website is very modern and it's a little bit difficult to navigate because I was trying to find out like what you mix these things with and you can't really find it on there. So I actually asked them through Instagram and I was like, what sort of liquids do you recommend for which color? And they kind of sent me a note. Our favorites include oat. So you can use almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, coconut water or coconut milk, rice milk or hemp milk, and coconut water. Yeah, so okay, so greens is delicious with coconut milk or soy milk, yellows is super tasty with coconut water, and reds is refreshing with almond milk. The possibilities are endless. So I replied to their comment, I was like, oh, thank you for the information. Is this available when the box comes to me? And they're like, no. So I was like, oh, well, you should include that in the box. But anyway, so I have that. Okay, so we took out the bottle. This maybe fell out. I don't know. I don't even remember how many I ordered. It comes in this pack here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What did I order? Oh, it was a 10 pack. So 9 is in here, 10 is here. Maybe they couldn't get it to fit. That's funny. There's illustrations of a pineapple and ginger. So these 10 units are approximately 4.4 pounds of fresh organic fruits and vegetables. Oh, actually on the package it tells you how to make it. So this one is a green and says drink with water or any milk. So we've got 2 greens, 2 purples, 2 reds, a coral, 2 yellows, and 1 black. This is not really black, but this is they call it black. The greens reduces muscle pain and good for memory. There's 5 spinach leaves, 4 kale leaves, half a kiwi, 1/5 of a pineapple, half an apple, 1/3 of a banana, and 0.5 grams of ginger. All organic, all the fibers, nothing else. Okay, and then these are the reds. The reds help boost immunity and lowers blood pressure, and the ingredients are 2 strawberries, 3 raspberries, 1/3 of a banana, half an apple, half a date, 20 chia seeds, and 1 gram of ginger. And then the yellows improves brain function and improves vision. 1/3 of a carrot, 1/10 of a pineapple, half a banana, 1/5 of a mango, and 0.5 grams of cinnamon. And the coral boosts sports performance, controls cholesterol, 1/3 of a beetroot, half an apple, 1/3 of a carrot, 1/4 of an orange, 1/5 of a mango, and 0.2 grams of ginger. A lot of ginger in these things. I don't really like ginger that much. I mean, I don't mind it, but the taste is very overpowering. Okay, and then the last one is a black one. So the black clears skin and it's anti-aging. And the ingredients are 6 acai berries, 1/3 of a banana, 1 strawberry, 1/3 of a mango, 20 chia seeds, and 0.5 grams of cinnamon. According to their instructions, let's see. Greens is delicious with coconut milk or soy milk. So I currently have almond milk in the fridge, so maybe we'll do almond milk. Yellows is super tasty with coconut water. Okay, I have that, but it's not chilled right now. And reds is refreshing with almond milk. So let's do the almond milk. All right, so a red one. Strawberry, raspberry, banana, apple, date, chia seeds, and ginger. All right, so let's try that. I will be back. I'm gonna go wash this and I'm going to show you how this works. So 1 second. Okay, so I've just washed the bottle here. I feel like I'm washing like a baby bottle. That's funny. All right. Okay, so let's put all these aside. We're gonna try the red as suggested with almond milk. So I've got some almond milk here and let's see. Okay, instructions. Add your favorite chilled liquid until it says fill until here. Okay, so it's here. So we're gonna add the almond milk. Seriously, this is like preparing baby formula. Not that I know what it's like, but okay, anyways. Next step, pour the bag content into the bottle. All right, let's do that. So I'm just gonna cut it open. All right, so I'm gonna add the powder. Oof. All right. And then put the filter back on, which is this. Ooh. I think I added too much almond milk. Shake well for 45 seconds and let it set for 15 seconds. All right, since we're doing this on video, I'm going to start my timer. Okay, so make sure it's closed all the way, obviously. So I'm going to have a stopwatch here. All right, ready, set, go. I think they had a deal for first-time buyers. I don't remember what exactly it was, but actually, did I have a deal? I don't remember. Anyways, it was $32.99 for a 10-pack. And I figured when you buy these drinks outside, like especially in the cities, some drinks are really expensive. Like they can cost up to like $7 or $8. So if these taste good, it might not be a bad choice. All right, 36 seconds, 38 seconds. Yeah, so you just want to make sure that whatever liquid you're putting in here is chilled because you don't want room temperature drinks coming out of a powder bag. So it's all shaken up and I'm just going to let it sit for 15 seconds. Yeah, so maybe I'll calculate how much each one of these packets costs. I think they come in 10, 30, or a 60 pack. So if you really like it, you can buy the 60 pack. I'm sure the prices are lower the more you purchase. Apparently, every bottle has 2 servings of fruits and vegetables. Shipping was free, even though it came from Germany, and shipping time was relatively short. All right, so let's give it a try. All right, so the reds. So this is probably like a fruity flavor. So it looks like a shake basically. It's not too sweet. You don't really taste the ginger. Interesting. It tastes pretty good. Like if I had known that it came from a powder, I probably wouldn't have guessed that. But I do know that it came from a powder, so I'm wondering if my brain is processing that and just be like, oh, this is a powder drink. This is really good for work because we have different types of milks in our fridge and I just have to bring one of these packets and a bottle and just make my own smoothie in the middle of the day or even for breakfast. So interesting. Wow. And I like that, you know, it looks like they really put a lot of effort into the quality of ingredients, and also this is a BPA free bottle, so they're keeping a lot of things in mind when they're when they're creating this company. All right, that was unboxing Kencko. My first reaction is that I'm pretty impressed by the taste of a powder drink. I'm gonna try out the rest of these packets throughout the week, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will post my reviews there. If I don't make a follow-up video, I'll just post pictures and write my reviews there, or maybe I'll have a story. I don't know, we'll see. So make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. This is a funny story. Somebody saw my comment on their page and they reached out to me directly and they were like, did you place your order? Did you get it? I think she really wanted to try it, but she was afraid that it was a scam. And so she kept messaging me. She was like, did you get it yet? Did you get it yet? So yes, I got it. If you're watching this, I would definitely give it a try. Like, I'm impressed by the first pack that I tried. I'm not getting paid for this video. It's just something that I wanted to try, and I figured a lot of people probably have seen their ads and are curious about it, so this is why I made this video. And okay, so that was unboxing Kencko. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I have a ton of unboxings coming up and I'm really excited to show you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye! I just noticed that the yellow has a lot less powder than the coral and everything else. Interesting. I forgot that this was here. I'm sorry.